What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video, and would you look at that? It's actually sunny in Wales for once. Now, I got a few things we need to get done on the car today, so let's get straight into it, shall we? We've even got a little helper with us today.
Hello.
So I got Tilly sorting out the windows, ready to put those in. I got everything here to do that. So I got a whole kit just by here. Some Master Bond stuff, 1 hour drive away structural windscreen bonding adhesive. So this stuff should work really well with putting the windows in. We got all the primer and stuff to go on. So we're gonna get those in. We've also got our washer pump. So we're gonna try to figure out where we're gonna put that in the car. And I've already been messing around with my overflow can. I bought this little black can. It's only about a tenner, but I think it's going to work really well there. It's hidden a little bit by the pipes, the intercooler pipe work, so it's not too intrusive, but I can still get to it when I need to fill it up or check out anything like that. So that's perfect.
Printing them is not hard, you're just gluing them in.
I know.
Taking them out is a different story.
I know, I'm going to glue them in, absolutely fine.
What are you going to use?
I got 1 hour drive away windscreen stuff with the adhesive.
How much is it?
I don't fucking know. Why?
Right, normally it's cheap as shit.
Well, if it full...
Flex 521, bro.
I got Sikaflex 521.
Have you?
Have I? No, I got 552.
That's it.
But I was going to use this.
Flex all day.
What? I still need the primer though, don't I?
You've got 552, which is the
I got 552 in black.
that's the sealant I use for poly windows a lot, boy. That's mint.
Oh, yeah.
That's the stuff I bought for the roof.
What did you say on your fucking work instruction, boy?
Wait.
What did you say?
What? Joe sus. Anyway, so when Tilly's doing that, we're going to go ahead and start sorting the other bits and bobs out, such as we're going to mount this. We'll tidy up that bottle as well and get this very luminous orange overflow pipe onto it, because for some reason they sent me that instead of black, but that's fine. We'll sort that out and start finishing the bits on this car. If you just hold this under there whilst I tighten above here,
What are you tightening?
these nuts.
Got him! Yeah, go on.
Are you holding the right one?
Yeah.
Well, I'm on the left one.
Yeah, I can see up straight through the one you're not tightening. Are you talking this to spec, Finley?
Yeah, what's the spec on that?
He's a spec.
Oh no, I'm dropping everything. Why does that feel like it's not tightening?
I literally feel like you tighten it.
Is it spinning?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Boy, it just doesn't look like it's tightening.
Let me have a feel. Yeah, 100% that's tightening.
You sure now?
Promise you.
Oh,
You're on the other one now.
no, Joe.
Just swap.
Joe.
Right, you're not. Yeah, you were tightening the right one.
No, Joe.
What?
Is that a 10mm underneath?
Yeah.
There's 8 on the top.
Ah, okay.
Look at that.
Ah, mad.
Right, we'll go swap this one for the correct size now, shall we?
I'm just gonna chill you.
Because you're such a chill guy.
I am chill guy, but seriously chill guy.
Insert chill guy meme. Joe's just a chill guy.
Such a chill guy.
There we go.
Happy?
That ain't going nowhere.
You got to tap it twice. Yeah, no, she ain't going
Nowhere.
Brother, nowhere. Oh, sorry.
Give me the tools, man.
I nearly did a steal.
Boy, look at the fucking colour line they gave me for this.
oh, I was gonna say nearly matches, but it's quite fucking bright, that isn't it?
Very bright. I don't understand why they thought it was a good idea to send me bright orange.
Hello. Look at the fucking pretzel. That is a pretty bold colour.
In a black and white
red.
engine.
You got a darker blue.
Red coil packs.
Yeah.
Multicoloured plugs. And nothing else to... some mustard and ketchup wiring.
So that's going.
That's going there. Oh my god, I can't believe we've got Joe working on my car before GTA 6.
Yeah. Yeah, you? Yeah, mine's over there and I just can't be asked.
So after a bit of thinking about where I'm going to route this very, very bright expansion tank line, I've decided if we go straight there, behind the bumper and then straight out, so it's not as much as an ISO, because you'll only see that. Very hard to see that anyway. because it'll be by there. Obviously, you're not going to see any of this, and it just pops up by there. Absolutely beautiful. But I'll probably end up buying some black line anyway, just to keep the aesthetic of the colorway with the engine bay as is. It just looks poor, and I don't like that. But anyway, expansion tank, bottle thing, done. We can get on with figuring out where we're going to put this. And now I'm thinking I haven't got enough line, because this is like literally only 1 meter long, which is not the best, but we are going to figure out what we're going to do with that. We've also got to put holes in the bonnet as well, which I don't really fancy doing. So I may try to run it up on the bulkhead somewhere, maybe along here somewhere, pointing at the windscreen, but we'll cross that bridge in a minute. But anyway, I got to figure out where we're going to mount this. I want to put it in the engine bay, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think what we're going to end up doing is going straight into the boot in this back right hand corner, straight down here somewhere. I think by there, somewhere a little bit out of the way, but still easy to get to if we need to do that. And there we have it. Bottle in secure. That's sorted. And I think that's really secure and in a nice place anyway. I can run the water line down where the battery cable is going to be going. So that's sorted, and we can still get to it and fill it up when we need to. So we'll order some line so we can run that all the way to the front, because I know the line that we got that came with the kit is nowhere near long enough. So we can sort that out later. But Tilly's just finished doing the rear glass. So I'll get on to the other one now, and we can get those in and seal this thing out.
Because he's not keeping it to the public, but he bought the 182 and he's asked me to.
So Guff's come up and put some masking tape on before we put the primer on, because if you get the primer on the car, it will never come off. And I started masking it and Guff did not approve.
No, shocking. Absolutely shocking.
Like that haircut.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'm not taking my hat off. I'm not taking my hat off. I am not taking my hat off. None of you will see what's under this. That smells fucking horrible. Oh shit, it's fucking running. Oh, it's like... Boy, well, fuck! Oh,
that's a shit
why?
place to put it. There's a bit left in it.
Fuck's sake.
What do you put it there for?
Because I'm fucking going back and forth!
Ah, there's a shelf there.
Right, so we've got the primer all on there now. We're just waiting for that to dry a bit. As you see, it's already drying in places. And then we can go, we'll put the sealant onto the window. I've cleaned that already. And then straight on with the masking tape holding it in place. A little bit of a hiccup on there, but it's too late now, isn't it?
Too late now.
And here we have it. Window is in. We're just letting that dry. It was a bit of a hassle. A bit of things went wrong, but that's all sorted. We're going to sort this window out now and get that one in. But when Tilly's doing that, we are going to put a bit of my exhaust on, because we have got the front section, so we need to get that on there as we wait for the rest of it to arrive. So we'll get that on there now when she's sorting out the other window, so we can pop that one in as well.
Imagine if I had
meet
to put fire in and just
That's why I blew it at you.
Imagine if with hair but no eyebrows. No beard, no eyebrows, just hair.
Just here.
Oh, I sold my 2060. Fuck.
I'm not putting a 2060 on it.
Disco potato.
I'm moving out the fire line because he's going to have a right.
I'm gonna move as well.
I'm telling you, it's not going to work, but it's fucking in there.
So that 02 cents is not coming at me, that old downpipe. So I'll either take that to work or I'll just buy another one online instead of fucking about, because that's going to take ages to get out. So instead of fucking about with that, we're just going to get the downpipe onto this and do it at another time. So that's sort of just mocked in place for now, because I need to sort of figure out how to move this line, because I don't want that melting on the exhaust. And also, they sent me the wrong hardware for this turbo, so I've just put some nuts and bolts through here now just to hold it in place, just so we know how it's going to sit, and we can go ahead and get my front downpipe and all onto it as well, because I am still waiting on the rest of the exhaust. But at least we can mock this up and see how this is going to fit, and if we have got to tweak anything on the car, we'll go ahead and try get this on under there now in a nice cold and wet unit under the car. Not the best, but we'll make it work, so we'll go ahead and get that sorted. My name's Finley Alonzi, and this is Jackass, motherfuckers. Fuck! Ah! Re-up! Boy! Yeah. Oh shit! Shiny exhaust! Oh shit! Look at those welds! Oh shit! Oh shit! A rat! Oh shit! A rat! But anyway, we've got a lovely 3-inch downpipe, and because it's from the same brand, it should fit.
Bit of chop. Might need 12mm spacer.
No, because stock mounts.
We'll see.
We shall see.
1K.
What have you got in the can?
The Mountain Dew. The Mountain.
Tropical citrus. Oh, hang on. Mannequin challenge. So again, you are joining me on the floor under the car, because obviously I couldn't get enough of working under it on the floor the last time. So we're doing it again. Brilliant. It's actually horrible trying to work under here. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. But I think this is going to line up pretty well. Right, looking at this, it's not going to fit that well. May need a spacer, but we'll... is that on there? Right, that's on there. Right, let's grab some nuts and bolts, see how this actually fits up. Because I'm not actually too hopeful on this now. So it would help if I put the gasket in before bolting this up. Because oh my god, this thing's so difficult to do on the floor, and I haven't put the bloody gasket in. We'll try this again. So I'm not too sure if you can see that actually, but I am going to need a spacer to bring it down because it is touching the floor. So I think what I'll have to do, like what Wilkins did, I think he bought like a 10 or 20mm spacer just so it lowers it down off the floor, because it's going to be knocking and it's not sitting properly on there. Not too I don't don't think you can see down there, but it's not quite fitting right. But in good news, this window's done. And this one is just setting now, but we are looking really good. Ignore all the random bits of tape, but that's how you're meant to do it apparently. So big shout out to Guff over there for giving me a hand putting the window in. He's never put a window in either, but he seemed to have a better clue on what to do than I was. But yeah, it's looking really tidy now. Really completes the car just having the glass in. Look at that. Also big shout out to Tilly for helping with the windows as well, scraping all the silicone off and everything. But it does just look so much better with the glass in. It's really getting there now. But unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Next week, we will be dropping off the harness off to the guy who's going to be sorting it soon. Hopefully, we'll get it back and be out ripping. But anyway, if you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you lot all in the next video. Peace out.